left, right knees. Slowly keep left, right palm together. Now we do, okay, stretch up. Exhale. Breathe through nose, in, out. Now do page 2, large beautiful remove. And exhale. Now breathe in, like you give an eye to the tree. Breathe in and exhale. Scoop. Now push the mountain. Page 3. Push the mountain. Exhale. See. Over like a forest, back forward. Open. Rotate and exhale. Now breathe in and breathe out. Close to your face. Open your face. Exhale. In and exhale. Now page 4, we come to the nature, okay? Your nature. 1, off. Breathe in and exhale. Breathe in and then all the energy through down the belly, okay? Exhale. Inhale and exhale now all the way down. Still do it, still move. Now to page 5, hold the sky. Inhale and exhale. Scoop. Breathe in and then cross your chest and push front to exhale. Front to the left. Stretch 1, 2. Now rotate internal, external. Rotate, fist. Release the tension. For the meridian, release stress. And then you stay here, like a hold like a meditate, stay here. And then breathe in, breathe out. Take a scoop all the way back to your neck, like hold the sky. And there, and exhale. Release. Out. Really very low now, okay? So it's okay. Now we do large, red, beautiful remove. Now left arm inside and the right hand side. When I stay in front of you, my position is opposite. So left hand side and the right hand side. Okay, now if you go to this direction, you only go to in this direction, okay? On your left.
Am I correct or no?
Yeah, now
Yes,
your left is inside, right?
Yeah, inside.
So when I do in this direction, you go to in this direction, okay?
Okay.
So close. No move your right. Rotate only left to opposite direction. But stay opposite. Now close left fist. Close. Now the right feet. And change in this direction. Exhale, inhale, exhale. You stretch together. Together, buona, okay? Stay horse stand. Don't do here, stay horse stand. Stay balanced. Close your fingers. Stay horse stand. Resist. Stay sit. Resist. Close your fingers. Stretching right up and left down. Not good. But you palm back rotate, eh? Yes. Stretch your shoulder all the neck. You try to all the neck and back. Stretch all the tension back in neck. Relax your back. Look up. You can see look back. Now scoop. 1. Scoop 2. Like take some vegetable off the ground. Some apple from the tree. Stay here, close down the belly. Now, the left is stay close down the arms, close the belly, no move. The right, go all the way down to your left. Okay. Feel the energy. Rotate. Now, left palm on the top. You can feel the energy fire, you know the energy. So now, change. Left, up, and right.